Recent resurgence of the Congress, especially in the state of Uttar Pradesh, has certainly added a spring in the step for the Grand Old Party. After going up from 1 seat in 2019 to 6 in the state this time, an emphatic win in both Amethi and also in Raebareli, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra were in Raebareli yesterday to kickstart the statewide Aabhar Yatra or Thanksgiving Yatra, looking to consolidate their gains. Meanwhile, when it comes to the Yatra that was being conducted, here is what Rahul Gandhi had to say to the people of Raebareli.
और अगर देश को नया विजन देना है तो भाइयों और बहनों उत्तर प्रदेश से ही देना होगा। और उत्तर प्रदेश ने मैसेज दिया है कि इंडिया गठबंधन, समाजवादी पार्टी और कांग्रेस पार्टी को हम चाहते हैं, देश में चाहते हैं और उत्तर प्रदेश में भी हम चाहते हैं।
In the meantime, let's break that update with the India bloc bagging nearly 43 seats to surge past the NDA. At least this time, a reinvigorated Rahul Gandhi said that the message from Uttar Pradesh was also the message from the country, that the people of India want to replace the BJP. Taking on the Prime Minister directly, Rahul Gandhi claimed that his sister could have defeated Prime Minister Modi had she contested from Varanasi.
और मैं आपको कहता हूं और बहन से कह रहा हूं, अगर ये लड़ जाती वाराणसी में, अगर ये लड़ गई होती तो आज हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री 2-3 लाख वोटों से वाराणसी का चुनाव हार जाते।
Well, this is the challenge that was being thrown, but we are getting also multiple reactions on that as to why didn't exactly then Priyanka Gandhi Vadra take the political plunge and contest the Lok Sabha elections from Uttar Pradesh. There were speculations that were rife that she may be either given the Amethi seat or even the Raebareli seat. There were speculations from within the party as well. The party leaders wanted someone from the Gandhi Parivar to fight on what they call as the Gandhi bastions, the Gandhi Parivar bastions, which is Amethi and Raebareli. But in the meantime, we also talk about when it comes to the reactions that have been coming in. We right now have Sabyasachi with us. Good morning to you, Sabyasachi. Rahul Gandhi says that had his sister contested elections from Varanasi, she would have easily defeated Prime Minister Modi. Then why didn't she?
Well, absolutely. See, that's the major question which the BJP and the NDA has been asking from the Congress party. See, Rahul Gandhi yesterday, who was at the Raebareli along with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, see, the Congress has been taking out the Dhanyavad Yatra in different districts of Uttar Pradesh. See, while addressing the people, Rahul Gandhi said that if Priyanka Gandhi would have contested from Varanasi, she would have easily defeated Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And the major question arises, why didn't Priyanka Gandhi Vadra fight this time around? See, clearly this shows the confidence the Congress party has got with the recent verdict that could be seen from the state of Uttar Pradesh. See, that is the reason why Rahul Gandhi, who visited Raebareli to thank the people of Raebareli, as well as Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, was present with him. Meanwhile, the Congress also have planned several rallies in different districts of Uttar Pradesh to thank the voters for voting for the India Alliance. See, Rahul Gandhi has been maintaining the fact that the result that has come in from Uttar Pradesh somewhere shows the result of the country, and in the coming days the people of the country will definitely vote out the BJP. That's what
so this is the Aabhar Yatra that Congress party is taking out. Rahul Gandhi is there, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is there, but as far as the Varanasi situation is concerned, Sabyasachi, please to continue to be with us. We'll explain us that to our viewers exactly when it comes to Varanasi and even when it comes to the comparison that is now being drawn. Let's talk about Prime Minister Narendra Modi here. He is a 3-time MP from Varanasi. He's just won that re-election. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra hasn't been contesting any elections there. She hasn't contested elections. He has held over 200 rallies for the Lok Sabha election. She's held 108 rallies for elections in the Lok Sabha. This is his third term and a historic term as Prime Minister. We're talking about Narendra Modi. She hasn't held any public office till now. However, when it comes to a position in the Congress party. Her main aim is the resurgence of the Congress, especially in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Narendra Modi, he has led successive third win for the BJP, at least in the Lok Sabha elections. Congress party won one seat when Priyanka Gandhi Vadra was the General Secretary in Eastern UP. So this has been the situation for Varanasi, but Rahul Gandhi said that had Priyanka Gandhi contested the elections against Prime Minister Modi in Varanasi, she would have easily won. Let's end the